Hi! In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to Access System. Then select Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, click on Theme section, scroll all the way down and tap on those little icons next to Themes categories. This way you'll see all available ones. When you find the best one for you, click on it. Tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them. And finally, hit apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, go back to exactly the same settings, but this time tap on this plus icon under My Themes. Now click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Click on Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!